Hi everyone, we the Balaton family would like to introduce you to a Balaton mug. The mug that will maintain the perfect temperature for your coffee or tea. The Balaton mug brings all the best features to the table. With our temperature control option, you'll enjoy your coffee to the very last sip. Besides the temperature control feature, our coaster can be used as a regular Qi charger for any device. The coating of Balaton is antibacterial, so it'll stay cleaner and have a longer odor-free life than other mugs. Onto our coaster, it's completely waterproof, so don't worry if you spill some hot tea or coffee on it. Just clean it and then use it again. The Balaton is safe, clean, and amazingly convenient, and made to be your best office friend. As safety comes first for Balaton, the coaster turns on and off by itself. Just put a mug or device on it. Hurry up and get your Balaton mug now with 23% off sale only on Indiegogo.